In this video, you will learn how to navigate the NinjaTrader Desktop Platform Control Center, access all of the desktop features, and tap into all of the available educational resources needed to master the NinjaTrader Desktop platform. The Control Center window is the default window which appears when NinjaTrader is first installed and will always be displayed while NinjaTrader is running. Let's take a look. Here's the control panel. There's a series of menu options at the top. Let's start with the new. I'm going to click on new, and this gives me all of my options related to new elements I could add to my workspace, including charts, time and sales, market analyzer, quote board, depth of market, and a whole lot more. The next tab over is the tools tab, which allows me to add instruments, instrument lists, database management, learn about trading hours of different instruments, import export scripts, and much more. The third tab over is the workspaces tab. These are workspaces that I've created over the many weeks and months that I could toggle between with a simple click of the mouse. Connections allows me to manage my connections. Right now I'm connected to the Continuum data feed, and you can see my green button there tells me I am connected. I could disconnect. I could reconnect to a different data feed, and I can configure data feeds as well. And then there's a help menu item, which provides users with many different options to get help on the trading platform. On the bottom, there's more tabs. There's the account tab, which shows you all the information related to your trading account, including your cash value or your intraday margin you may be using, excess intraday balances, initial margin, and much more. Totally customizable, this view, and it's unique to your account, whether it's a sim account or a live account. The next tab over is the position tab. It'll show you any open positions that you may have in the market. The third tab at the bottom is the execution tab. It'll show you executions that you've done throughout the trading session. The next tab over is the orders tab. It'll show you all the orders that you have either working, canceled, or filled, and give you all of this customizable data associated with each order. And finally, if you have any strategies running, you'll be able to see your strategies with this tab as well. And when you're done trading and you're done working on your workspaces, simply click this X and you'll go ahead and exit your platform. The NinjaTrader Control Center provides a centralized view of account, execution, order, historic log, and position information. It also provides access to all of the various NinjaTrader function windows and disables global application features and commands. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out all of our quick tip videos to help you get started with the NinjaTrader Desktop platform.